let's make air-fried Brussels sprouts. This is a pretty simple recipe. You're gonna end up with crispy Brussels sprouts and you don't need to use a ton of oil. So you're just going to take your Brussels sprouts, put them in a bowl, and then add some bacon. We're gonna add a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And then instead of putting in oil, we're gonna spray some olive oil. So however much you would like to use, we're just gonna use a light amount because you're gonna get a little bit of oil from the bacon as well. And I'm gonna mix that together. Just kind of make sure everything's lightly coated. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And once that's all mixed together, we are going to pour it into the air fry basket. Make sure you have that air fry tray underneath to catch anything that might drip. Pretty good there. And then just make sure it's nice and spread out. And then put it in the air fryer. We're gonna cook for about 5 minutes. Then we're gonna mix it up a little bit and cook it for 5 more minutes. So when they are halfway through cooking, I'm just gonna pull them out and mix them up a little bit. Make sure that they get evenly air fried. Put them back in for another 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna watch it, just make sure it doesn't get too brown on top. Once they are ready, we're gonna pull them out. Should be nice and crispy, perfect. And then we are going to sprinkle a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese over the top. And that's it.